Today on DJT Reviews, we're going to review the GuruNanda Natural Whitening Pulling Oil. This is the Coconut Plus Mint. This is one of the top rated products on the market right now as far as oral health. So first, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, make sure you're subscribed so you're alerted when the videos drop on the channel. So this right here, the GuruNanda Pulling Oil, this is like a daily regimen switch for oral health, as it says right here. So it's like a little different from your normal mouthwash. Yes, mouthwash and all that does sanitize your mouth, get your breath clean, but this is more of a natural remedy right here. So go right into it. Just ordered this, and this is a new and improved flavor here, because you have one here that doesn't have this right here, and then the most up-to-date one has all these ingredients right here, and some of the older ones don't have all these ingredients right here, like the vitamin E and D. So as you can see, it's also sugar-free. So if you don't mind stevia, you can see right there, that's what gives you this sweet taste. Also right here on the side, it says if you have an allergic reaction to peanuts, please be aware that this is made in a factory that packages also peanuts right there. Just so you guys can see it and know what you need to do before you. So if you have allergies, then you definitely want to stay away from this if you're allergic to peanuts. All right, so here is the side. Here's the back right here. Give you more information about it. Right here, 5,000-year-old health science. Pulling oil is a part of an aphrodisiac lifestyle that focuses on the maintaining health and bringing a balance to your body. So if you guys follow natural remedies like Dr. Stevie and all that, then this is definitely something you want to try. All right, so we're here to review it. It says the natural helps pull bad bacteria from your mouth right here. So it has no preservatives, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors. It's alcohol free, fluoride free, which is most important, and it's also not animal tested. Right here's the instructions. Just shake well. Right here, it says gently swish it in your mouth for about 2 minutes. Then try working up to 10 minutes. Then spit out the rinse. Do not swallow. Always brush your teeth after using the pulling oil because it's still in your mouth. So you want to definitely make sure. Here's right here, more information about that. And on this side, just tell you the benefits of the GuruNanda. Right here, fresh breath, spearmint plus peppermint, cardamom, and fentanyl. Right there, supports gum health, clove, oregano, tea tree oil. Right here, there's the coconut oil in there, and then you have vitamin D, E, and K2. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. Again, this opens up some more just to let you see what else is in there. All right, open this up. This is the kit right here. I'll definitely make sure you guys put a link below so you can find out where to grab this. These sell out fast, and then you have to wait for them to get back in stock. So right here, as you can see, this is the bottle. This one came with a toothbrush right here. I even seen some come with a tongue scraper as well. So they give you a toothbrush that says GuruNanda on here. It's the front of the bottle. Comes in a nice sun-resistant bottle, so that way it's not damaging the liquid or spoiling it. At the same thing right here, no cruelty label. Right here, no synthetic ingredients. More directions right here on the back, which is what we already looked at on the back of the box. All right, and it's most importantly is dentist recommended. All right, so here's the cap that they give you, that they recommend you fill it up according to the back. Here's the seal. We see the seal is still on here. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up so we can see what it looks like. Okay, so we got it unsealed. Right here, we open it up. First thing I noticed right off the bat that the smell of that spearmint and peppermint is very strong. So you know, if you can smell it before you even start swishing, it is definitely going to make your breath and inside your mouth definitely fresh and clean right here. And it also whitens the teeth. Let's go ahead and pour it in this right here. So like they said, start off with like 2 minutes, then work your way up to 10. Here's the expiration date. You want to always check that. Make sure this one expires in 2026. So we're good to go. All right. So again, we check the back. It tells you the instructions for directions. Please place it about 10 or 15 right there, milliliters. So that's about right here or right here. You see that, guys, right there. All right, so let's go ahead and pour some in here so you guys can see. All right, there it is. So as you can see, almost definitely look like almost coconut water color. We did fill it up as what they said, about 10 to 15 milliliters right here. So I'll go ahead and swish with this real quick and let you guys know what I think once I switch for about 2 minutes. I'm sure you don't want to hear this. Okay, guys, so did all the swishing. I actually did it for about 3 minutes because it's the peppermint and spearmint taste is very strong. So you definitely want to, like they say, work your way up to the longer swishing in the mouth. But right off the bat, I can tell you definitely freshens your breath. That's no cap, as the youngsters say, but it definitely works. My breath feels fresh already. So after I did switch for about 3 minutes, I didn't use this toothbrush, but I did use the one that I already have. And like I said, everything mouth definitely feels healthy. So it says, so start working your way up to it. And the more you do it, the more you're going to feel your mouth is healthy and everything. And you'll definitely get that smile. So this is the review of the GuruNanda coconut plus mint pulling oil. Again, if you guys are interested, check out the links below. And you can find different flavors and different products from this brand. Let me know if you tried it. Let me know if it works for you. Make sure you subscribe and catch you on the next review video.